Hello second grade. In this video 8.3 we're going to be rewriting subtraction problems. Right now you can see the subtraction problem written horizontally from left to right. That doesn't line up our tens and ones very well, so we're going to rewrite it vertically. Now when we have this in class, you are going to have the T-chart and the regrouping boxes as well. So let's start. How I like to do it is take our first number, the larger number 73, and we know the larger number always needs to go at the top. So that shows me 7 tens and 3 ones. Now I'm subtracting 47 from that. The 4 is going to line up with the 7, and the 7 in the ones place is going to line up with the 3. So now I'm going to double check. Do I have 7 tens in my tens place? I do. 3 ones in my ones place? I do. And also check the 4 here and the 7 here. So now that we've rewritten it correctly, it is time to subtract. And this is what we've been doing in class. So we always start in the ones place, and if you feel like it, you can label the tens and the ones. We have 3 ones, and we're trying to take 7 away. So we can't do 3 minus 7, so that goes and tells me that we need to regroup to get 10 more ones. So 7 tens becomes 6 tens. The 3 gets 10 more ones, which is a fair trade, which gives us 13. Now we're ready to subtract. 13 minus 7 gives me 6. 6 minus 4 gives me 2, for an answer of 26. Okay, let's try one more. Once again, the numbers are lined up horizontally. We have 56 minus 48. I'm going to show you another way that some students like to do their setup, which was a little bit different than before. So first, by labeling the tens and the ones. Some students like to identify the tens place first for both numbers, which would be 5 tens minus 4 tens, and then identify the ones place. So the 6 ones minus the 8 ones. Now it's very important here to double check your numbers. We have 56 at the top number, matching the 56 up here. This still shows 48. This shows 48. Now, as long as you're double checking to make sure that the numbers are the same as they were horizontally and that they're in the correct tens in one spot, this way can be successful as well. So now that we're set up and we've checked our numbers, we can start subtracting. This is going to be one that we need to regroup because we cannot take do 6 minus 8. So we're going to head over to the tens place. 5 tens becomes 4 tens, and that creates 10 extra ones, which makes this 16. 16 minus 8 equaling 8. And now I have 4 minus 4, which I'm taking all of them away. It's optional, but you can put the 0 there or just leave it blank. Now for our last one, we're going to rewrite 60 minus 27 vertically on our T-chart. I'm going to do it my preferred way, in which I do the first number in the tens and the ones, 6 tens, 0 ones, minus 27, which is 2 tens, 7 ones. Now a common mistake from yesterday's class was when we do 0 minus 7, students were just dropping the 7 down here. We can't do that because we're starting with 0 and we're trying to take 7 away, which is impossible. So we're going to take that 7 away and then do it correctly. We're going to borrow and create 10 more ones. So 0 plus 10 makes a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 2, 3, for an answer of 33. Please leave a comment as to which method you prefer when we're rewriting a horizontal problem into a vertical problem, or just something about your understanding of two-digit subtraction again.